What are you doing today?
What are you doing?
I'm at work, aren't I?
Good, we'll go back to work then. What's your collar number?
No, I'm asking you to...
Well, you're in plain clothes, aren't you? So I don't know who you are, you're just a random
Showed you
person.
my ID.
Yeah, but tell me your collar number.
I don't need to do that.
Well then, I don't need to talk to you.
Alright guys, welcome back. We got a video from a channel called Yardley Ski. You guys are gonna absolutely love this guy's channel. Check out some of these clips. We'll pause for comments and give you our final thoughts at the end. Let's get right to it, folks.
Yeah, you can.
Can I ask who you are?
Yeah, sure.
You shouldn't be filming police stations.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer under the Terrorism Act. You shouldn't be filming police stations.
Say that again?
Under the Terrorism Act, you shouldn't be filming police stations. Can I ask who you are?
Who are you?
My name is DS Colette.
Okay.
Can I ask you to stop filming me?
No.
Okay.
You can ask me to stop filming you, but I won't.
Okay. What's your name?
Okay, so what's your collar number?
No, I'm asking you to...
Well, you're in plain clothes, aren't you? So I don't know who you are, you're just a random
Showed you
person.
my ID.
Yeah, but tell me your collar number.
I don't need to do that.
Well then, I don't need to talk to you. Identify yourself properly or I don't need to talk to you. Under the Terrorism Act.
Let me just get my car keys. I just want to lock my car before...
Go on then, lock your car. No, I can. Of course, I can stand here. Of course, I can stand here.
Okay. What are you doing today?
What are you doing?
I'm at work, aren't I?
Good. We'll go back to work then.
Well, no, I'm questioning you as to
No,
why
you're
you're
not questioning me.
Here. I am.
Don't
I'm
question
asking
me.
you questions.
I don't. Well, I refuse to answer
Okay, why's that?
because I could have got the right to remain silent, and I.
No, that's fine.
Oh
but
well,
I'm just
then that's
trying to
fine.
have a conversation.
Well, I don't want
with
a
you
conversation with you. You're
and
rude.
to see why you're...
Who are you?
I've not been
Identify
rude.
yourself.
That's right. I'm PC Beckett.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm from Mounted Branch here at Lewisham.
Okay, cool.
I'm just
Cheers.
asking you why you're standing here and
Was
filming
ya?
the police
You said to me that I couldn't film it, or I should go away from it, or something like that.
I'm asking you what
Oh, you
your
changed your
purpose
mind
is
then?
here.
Have you
No,
changed your
I haven't
mind?
changed my mind.
Oh,
I'm
yes, you
asking
have.
you what your purpose is here.
Well, come to me correct, or don't bother come to me at all, okay? Mind the gates
And
don't hit ya.
You asked me that...
Mind the
you-
gates
you
don't
said
hit ya.
that I'm being rude, but I think you're being quite rude.
No, I don't
to
care
me.
what you think.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So there we go.
Okay. You know how long are you going to be here?
How
or-
long are you going to be here?
Well, I'm at work, aren't I?
So what? How long are you going to be here?
Well, I'm asking you how long you're
Well, you
gonna
don't need
be
to
here.
ask me.
I absolutely love the way this guy keeps asking him the same questions that they ask him. He just keeps spoon feeding them. Absolutely brilliant, folks. And it's clear as day how they walk up to him demanding answers, even though he doesn't have to answer them. In the United States, we've been doing what's called a First Amendment audit, but out there in the UK and other parts of the world, in Canada as well, you gotta know that there are different rules and different laws that are very similar. So make sure you look at what laws apply to you in the country that you're in. I have made the mistake before of calling UK audits First Amendment audits. I absolutely love the UK channels out there. I've learned a lot from them as well, especially, you know, calling police sausages. I've done that on my channel before for you guys out there in the UK. So let's keep watching, folks. I believe he's doing a good job so far.
You going now, yeah? Off you go. Not your mate.
Why are you filming?
I'm not your mate.
Why are you filming the police station?
I'm not your mate. Dress me properly.
Hello? Why
Yeah.
are you filming inside the police station?
Who are you?
Why are you outside the police station?
Who are you? Identify yourselves.
I just have.
No, you haven't. Verbally.
Police officer.
Go on then. Who are you? Shoulder number. Shoulder number.
DC Mace 341BF.
Okay. And you? We'll walk away then. We'll all walk away, yeah?
No, he's coming back.
Okay, come back.
Why are you filming inside the police station, sir?
Because I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Why can't I? Tell me why I can't. Tell me why I can't. No, I'm not going to get out of your face. Tell me why I can't.
I'll put it out. They plain clothes.
Yeah, he's playing clothes. He's right next to me now, recording. So he's on tape. Look at,
All right, then. I'll
Don't put your hand up to me.
Okay, thank you.
Don't put your hand up
What's
to me.
the problem?
Don't put your hand. There's no problem. You're the problem right now. Used to standing there bothering me.
This allows me to make a good point, folks. When police officers don't know the laws, when they don't know that you have rights, oftentimes they'll arrest folks and they'll even say things like, this is not the place to settle it. You'll have your day in court. But let's think about that, folks. Is that not the true definition of contempt of court, where you're the one tying up the courts? Why is it that when you go to court and you speak out of turn, the judge can say you're in contempt of court? But if an officer arrests somebody and violates their civil rights, how are they not in contempt of court? In fact, folks, there's never really any repercussions to the officer when that happens. They're allowed to go do it again, which solidifies exactly what I'm talking about.
What are you doing, sir?
Filming,
Why?
because I can. Look, like this, filming. Because I can. Yeah? Is it not good enough for you?
Got nothing better to do in the rain, mate. You crack on.
Alright then, we'll go away now. Now you've said to me to crack on, that's it. Go on, off you go. Foxtrot Oscar, both of yous.
Don't need to be rude to us.
I'm not being rude. What's Foxtrot Oscar mean? What does it mean?
What do you think it
What
means?
do you think it means? Huh? It's a phonetic alphabet.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Why are you being like this?
Being like what? Because you lot stopped. Go inside.
We're outside of the police
So
station.
what? It doesn't matter. Does it matter?
Well, we've done that here.
To who? Who does it matter to? Did you know filming is not a crime? Have you heard of that? Pinnock.
So please
Photography
stop
is
putting
not a
in my
crime.
Please can you stop putting in my face?
I can put it in your face because
No, you can't.
I'm standing. Yes, I can. I'm standing at a good distance from you, and it's a camera, just like you would film me. Ordinarily, if you was in your uniform and you got a
Oh.
camera, a body worn, you would film me. I can
Okay,
film
but am
you.
I filming you?
You don't have to, but I can. So don't tell me not to. Okay?
Jump in, leave it to him.
Go on then, jump in, leave me to it. Yeah, off you go. Told ya, dismissed. Yeah,
With thanks.
I don't. Get out of here. Get out of here. Shall I tell you again, Foxtrot Oscar? Is that good enough for you? You told him, yeah? You put him straight.
So you're going to have to step back so the gates won't close.
Nah, I ain't.
Alright, thank you.
Exactly, I didn't step nowhere, did I? Stop giving me directives.
Alright, have a good day.
You have a good day. Go inside. Go inside. And stop acting silly. Stop looking stupid. But I'd have to go inside. Get inside. Off you go. When you don't know what you're talking about, don't say nothing. I see ya. No tailgating. Don't bid me. Don't bid me. No, create privacy. Create your own privacy.
You can't film me.
Yeah, I can. Of course I can.
Whilst I'm putting security code
Watch
into
me.
a secure building.
Watch me. Can't I? Or can I? Stop saying stuff that you don't know. All right?
Have a good day, yeah?
No, you have a good day.
I will,
Yeah,
thanks.
get out of here. Go on. Learn what I can and can't do. What are you up to?
I'm just wondering, just an interest in you filming the vehicles, that's all.
Yeah.
And the gate.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, who? What's your collar number?
I haven't got a column number. My name's Paul Crane. I'm only just inquiring what you're doing about.
So you're a police officer?
I am, yeah.
But you haven't got a collar number? That's a bit strange, isn't
only
it?
just
So I'm going to ask you why you ain't got a collar number. I'm just curious.
I've just told you my name. I'm just
No,
inquiring
but what's your
why
collar
you're
number?
filming
What's
why-
your collar number?
My warrant number is 195602.
And why ain't you got a collar number?
That is my... You don't understand. That
Well,
is my
tell me
unique
then.
reference number.
Why is that?
Why is that?
Yeah, so do you go out and... Are you a police... What rank are you?
I'm a detective.
Okay, so
Okay.
you didn't start off with a shoulder number?
I'm not going to engage with you. I'm
Well then,
merely
if you're not going to
inquiring
engage
what
with me,
you're doing.
then what's the point then?
Filming the
Well, you're not going to
vehicles
engage with me.
without
I'm trying to... To what?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I'm merely asking what
Yeah.
you're doing filming around the pedestrian gate with the police officers and our security codes and the
You said I
vehicles
was...
and the
Don't
indexes.
assume I was filming any security codes.
You're right by our pedestrian gate.
I don't
where people
care.
are keying
Don't
in.
assume I was
Okay,
filming any
right.
security
We're going to
codes.
go around in circles, aren't we?
No,
So
we're
have
not
a nice
going around
day,
in
sir.
circles. Just get lost. Telling me I'm filming security codes. Get out of here. Yeah.
How you say, okay?
I'm okay. Hey, mind them horses. Whoa. Stop lying.
I really want to say that I really appreciate all the channels out there that are recording police and holding public officials accountable. In the United States, we started doing what's called First Amendment audits, where we would walk into a government building or around the government installation and just walk around, maybe ask some questions. And what we found out is that a lot of public officials don't seem to know that we have the right to be there and record. And it's happening everywhere. A lot of the UK channels have been doing audits as well, and they are growing fast, and these channels are amazing. I love what they're doing out there. And many of you guys out in the UK are reaching out to me and asking me to share your videos as well. And I gotta say, keep it up. Keep sending me your videos. I definitely love watching you guys. Our email is recordpolicenow@gmail.com. I would like all of you guys out here in the US to go support all of them out in the UK as well, because they have definitely shown us a lot of support. We are all learning from each other, folks. This is a big community and it's growing and growing, and I'm glad to be a part of it. And I've definitely helped a lot of channels grow in the United States, and I definitely want to help the channels grow in the UK as well. Nothing but respect. If you guys don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. And that's not just here in the US, that's everywhere else, folks. So definitely go subscribe to Yearly Ski. Let them know I sent you. I hope I pronounced that correctly. All of you guys out in the UK, let each other know San Joaquin is here to help you guys. And I know a lot of you guys out in the UK have a lot of issues with the pronunciation of my channel name. I've heard a lot of you guys say San Joaquin. I love it, it's hilarious. But no, it's San Joaquin. It's like The Walking Dead, you know what I mean? Like you're walking. So make sure you guys know that your amigo San Joaquin loves and supports all you guys out in the UK. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm going to drop the original links for this channel in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys let him know that I sent you. Please go show some support. I really do think this guy's going to appreciate you. All right, folks, have a blessed holiday season. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.